कर्तव्यमेव कर्तव्यं प्राणैः कंठगतैरपि. So this is kartavyameva kartavyam. One has to do what has to be done, even if one is about to lose our life. So pranaihi kanthagatairapi. This indicates that if the pranan is almost up to your throat, it means it is going to just get out. That is, you're breathing your last breath, kind of thing. Even if your life is in danger, you have to do your duty. Yeah, go on.
विदितचरमेव हि एतत् सर्वेषामपि विदुषां यत् पूर्विका हितप्राप्तिप्रयोजना च धर्मसंसेवा कर्तव्या सर्वमानवैः इति. It is ordained for the scholars that they should do dharma seva towards
ordained
all mankind.
இல்ல விதித சரம்னா something that is already known. So charat bhutarte charat pratyayam. Okay, so vidita charam, that which has already known, is for scholars is that
their dharma seva towards the human, their dharma seva towards all humanity should be for
towards illa by dane illa sarva manavaihi.
Okay, for the removal of ahitam, meaning like
anything non-beneficial.
Non-beneficial.
Sarvair manavaihi illa.
Ama.
Okay. Okay.
Sarvaihi manavaihi dana.
Correct da. Ama. Correct da.
Okay.
So sarvaihi manavaihi dharma samseva kartavya. That dharma seva should be done by everybody. And how is that dharma seva? The qualifying attributes for dharma samseva are two. One is ahita nivritti purvika,
removing the non-beneficial.
Yes. And then hita prapti prayojana.
Yeah, for the beneficial.
It should be useful for attaining something that is of benefit. So hita prapti prayojana seva, ahita nivritti purvika seva. It should also remove something that is non-beneficial for us. Nivritti na removal.
Yeah. Ko nama ayam dharmaha. So what is this dharma? Kim asya moolam? What is its root or
source? Root.
Source. Kim prayojanaha ayam, like what use it is.
Kim prayojanaha ayam angarche, I think it should be one word, because prayojanam asya asti iti. So kim prayojanam asya asti iti. So kim prayojanaha ayam, what is its use? It's the same meaning da, but word onna irukano samasta padam. Yeah.
Okay. Iti एतेषां प्रश्नानां समाधानं प्रथमतः देयं भवति. Okay, like the questions for all this, the samadhanam ityukte, like the
answer.
What do you say? The answer to all these questions must be given first. Vedena prayojanam uddishya vidhiyamanah arthah dharmah sahacha vidhi nisheda rupah. The usefulness, the prayojanam of Veda.
Vedena vidhiyamanaha. So first take this separately. Prayojanam uddishya vidhiyamanaha. Kena vidhiyamanaha? Vedena vidhiyamanaha arthaha. So dharma is that which is being ordained by Veda with a prayojanam in mind, or prayojanam as a goal.
Okay. Sahacha vidhi nisheda rupaha. So it is full. It is in the form of like don't
do's and don'ts.
Do's and don'ts. Satyam vada, dharmam chara,
swadhyayat ma pramadah.
Ma pramadah. Ityevam rupaha. Okay, speak the truth, follow dharma, and don't neglect your swadhyaya, like your study,
Svashakha adhyayanam.
swashaka. Iti evam rupaha, meaning it's in the form of these.
This. So these two are in Vidhi Rupa. These are in the form of injunction wherein it prompts us into action. Swadhyayanma pramadaha. This prompts us from not doing a mistake or not neglecting, by which we follow the adhyaya. So it is a Nishedha Rupa. So this is Vidhi Rupa and this is Nishedha Rupa.
Okay. Vedyate nyayate anena dharma swarupam iti karana vyutpatya veda shabdaha mantra brahmanakyam grantarashim abhidatti. Like it is known and how do you say this?
Dharma Swarupam is known through this. Anena. Yeah. So anena vedyate, jnayate, understood. The Swarupam of Dharma is understood through this. Iti karana vyutpatya. Karanam na instrumental case. So you are using instrumental case with anena. Adanala. So karana vyutpatti, using the etymological derivation through the instrumental case. Veda shabdaha, the word Veda, mela. Refers to
mantra brahmanakyam na, like this part I didn't understand.
Okay. So Veda, the word Veda abhidatte, it refers to the Grantha Rashi, the corpus of work which is called mantra and brahmana. So mantra, there are sections which are called mantra, there are sections which are called brahmana, aranyaka. So mantra, brahmana and aranyaka are 3 sections in the Veda.
Sahacha vedaha rig yajus sama bhedena tridha vidyamanaha trayi iti vyavahriyate. Okay, the Veda is divided into 3 called rig, yaju and sama. That's why and it is called a trayi because of that.
Yes, vyavahriyate, it is being called.
It is being called. Guru paramparaya shravanameva etesham vartate iti shrutihi iti cha pandita samaje vyavaharaha samajani. Since it is known, it is listened by Guru parampara, it is called shruti.
Yes.
It is known as shruti among the panditas.
So shrutihi iti pandita samaj.
Sorry?
Eda sonnela. Okay. Vyavaharaha samajani. This kind of a vyavahara, adavadhu the word, it is called shruti. Samajani ngarche, it's lung lakara.
Lung
karmani.
karmani.
பண்டிதர்களுடைய சமாஜத்தில் இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு விவகாரமானது ஏற்பட்டது. ஸ்ருதி என்ற ஒரு விவகாரம் ஏற்பட்டது.
अथर्व वेदेन सह चत्वारो वेदाः धर्मस्य मूलं भवन्ति. Along with Atharva Veda, the 4 Vedas become the root of our dharma. Vedavat Shastranam Itihasa Puranadinam Kavyanam cha Dharma Moolatvam Urarikritam Sudhibihi. Like the Vedas, the Shastras, Itihasas and Puranas and Kavyas are used to expand Urari.
இல்ல உரரினா இது நிச்சிதம். உரரி, ஊரி, உரரி இதெல்லாம் வந்து these two can join with the kru to say has gained acceptance, or it is widely accepted. Angikritam. Yes, it is widely accepted by Sudhibihi, by intelligent people.
Okay.
So because it follows.
Okay. No, I thought something like the whatever the the principles are told in the Vedas. These Kavyam and Shastram also accept it, and we expand that knowledge.
இல்ல இல்ல ஸோ எப்படின்னா சுதீபிகி உரரீகிருதம் இட் இஸ் பீன் அக்செப்டட் பை த இன்டெலிஜென்ட் பீப்புள் தட் ஜஸ்ட் லைக் வேதாஸ் Shastras, Itihasa, Purana and Kavyas also have the quality of being Dharma Moola. So Dharma Moolatvam Urarikritam Kesham Kavyanam Puranadinam cha.
Okay. Okay. अतः वेदाः शास्त्राणि इतिहासपुराणादयः काव्यानि च विहितकर्मणां कर्तव्यताम् ओके वेदाः शास्त्रास् इतिहासास् पुराणास् and काव्यास् along with विहितकर्मणां कर्तव्यताम् according to
they bodhayanti
according to the
verba sollidumo no verba sollidumo
they teach
what do they teach? They teach two things.
Kartavyatam vihitakarmanam, like what needs to be done according to the prescribed prescriptions, like
kartavyatam garche the necessity to do actions that have been enjoined, the obligation to do the work that are vihita, and nirakaranam, the rejection or not doing the work that is nishiddha, that is forbidden. These are being told by Vedas, Shastras, Itihasa, Purana and Kavya. All of these seem to be taken as adnalda Vedas, Shastrani, Chatvari, illa Veda idula varume and the Chaturdasha Vidyaha. There are 14 oru shloka undilla. What is that? மறந்து போயிடுது எனக்கு. சதுர்தச வித்யாஹ வேதா சாஸ்திராணி புராண நியாய மீமாம்சா தர்மசாஸ்திராங்க மிஸ்ரிதாக வேதா ஸ்தானானி வித்யானாம் தர்மஸ்ய ச சதுர்தச. This is from Yajnavalkya Smriti. All of these are called vidya. So when you say that someone is Chaturdasha vidya upeta, then enna evam rupaha. Can it also be written as evam rupaha? Illiye varade. Iti evam rupaha. Appdin eppadi mudiyum? You can't say that here. Because evam rupaha, this sort of a form is there. So it is a samasta padam.
Single. No, not just in this context. In general, I'm asking.
Evam, thus, அப்படிங்கிற அர்த்தத்துல, if you are using it in the sense of thus, evam, rupaha bhavati, or, but rupahaங்கிறதே கிடையாது. Rupam is the pratipadikam, usually. Only when it is in a samastha padam can you have rupaha. Pullinga varum. Illenna, it's a niyata napunsakalinga padam. So you can't have a split. Okay. Continue.
Kavyat kartavyatadhihi sarasa anyatra na tatha. Okay. What needs to be okay. Kavyas explain what needs to be done in in a lovable way. In Vedas, it is not. It's only full of like you need to do this, that, or it orders, but Kavya.
Okay, ஒரு நிமிஷம். There is a question here. Urariங்கிறது வந்து it is not HV. Urari is an avyaya. Uri, urari, these two are avyayas here. It is a gana. Uryadi gana undu. I can check what ganam that is. Ganapaathathla paatha theriyum. Adla nariya there are words. Uri, urari, tanthi, tali, attali, veta, ennalamo irukadla. Oh my god. Mattadella I have not heard of those words. But uri and urari definitely. You use it like how you do chvi also. So uryadi chvidachascha nu oru sutram irukku. In that uryadi gana padam or chvi, Dach, all of these can connect with Kriya Yoge Gati Samgnya. They get a Gati Samgnya there. And then you can, because it has Gati, you also add it with kru bhu as. Kribhvastibhyaha, அது ஒன்று இருக்கு. Some sutras apply there. Okay? Yeah. ஆமேல காவ்யாத் கர்த்தவ்யதாதிஹி சரசா அந்யத்ர ந ததா. ஸோ வேதங்கள்லாம் இட் இஸ் நாட் ஸோ ஈஸி. சரசா இஸ் வெரி என்ன சொல்றது, ஒரு pleasurable, no?
Delightful.
Delightful through kavyam. Kartavyatadihi is that sense of duty. The sense of duty is more easy and acceptable from a kavyam rather than from a Veda or Itihasa Purana. Yatha
यथा कामिनी कटाक्षवीक्षणादि विलासैः एव कामिनम् आवर्जयन्ति. Okay, like how a kamini, how a lover, how a lover.
Lady, like, காமினிங்கிறது லேடின்னு போட்டுண்டு காமினம் her lover. So ரெண்டும் அதே தான்.
The lover, how we how she by her kataksha viksha, okay, by her
விலாசங்கிறது it is grace,
like playful. Oh, grace. Okay.
So different kinds of grace or actions, including looking through her kataksha, eyesight, idella. There are many things with which she avarjayanti shatrapratyam, as she attracts the lover.
मम इदम् अभिलषितं कुरु, अनभिलषितं मा कुरु. Do what is liked by me. Don't do what is not liked by me. इति अनुक्त्वा एव सर्वं सम्पादयति. Like without even telling, by her glances she is able to direct.
Make him do what she wants him to do.
By her glances.
Yes.
तथा काव्यश्रीः अपि, likewise the काव्यश्री also सहृदय
हृदय आह्लादकारिणा
व्यञ्जन व्यापारेण एव रामादिवत् वर्धितव्यं न रावणादिवत् इति पुंसः कर्तव्ये निवर्तयति च अकर्तव्यात्. Okay, likewise Kavyashri also, like by attracting the sahridayas, ahladakarina,
using vyanjana vyaparamங்கிறது suggestive way of understanding words, understanding meaning. So there are three vyaparas. Vyaparangardu, it's the way in which we understand the meaning of a word. Let's say there is a shabdam, there is an artha. So this word gives this meaning. Koshartha is the literal meaning. So we say vachyartha. So vachakaha shabdaha, vachyaha arthaha. What is the process by which we understand that this is the meaning of this word? That is called abhidha vyaparaha. The next level is lakshana. So there is a word which is the lakshaka shabdaha. It has a direct meaning, but the direct meaning doesn't fit in the sentence, in the context. You go to a secondary meaning for it, and then that is called lakshyartha. And the process by which we discount the primary meaning and go to the intended meaning, that process is called lakshana vyaparaha. There is yet another vyapara called vyanjana vyapara, which is very unique to kavyam, and it's only it is there everywhere, people also use it, but it's only Alankarika who have defined it. He has said that there is a literal meaning also, but if there is another person who wants to understand something beyond the literal meaning, that person will understand, because it may be addressed to him. So that is called the vyangyartha. So vyanjaka shabdaha, this word is capable of giving the literal meaning as well as it is fully loaded madri. The sentence is loaded meaning, and the loaded arthona solrom illaya, that loaded meaning is actually a suggestive meaning. So the process
lines
reading between lines is other. Reading between lines la vande you can have both lakshana and vyanjana coming in.
Okay.
Okay, but reading between lines la there is a literal meaning which also fits, and there is another meaning also that is probably interpreted by people who are more intelligent and more intuitive, more sensitive to the context.
This is called Vyangyava.
Vyangyartha. So Vyanjaka Shabdaha, Vyangyarthaha, the suggestive meaning, the process through which you get to that is called Vyanjana Vyaparaha. Okay, this is the basic thing that you need to know before entering Kavya Prakasha or Dhvanyaloka, anything. Idu padichome. When we read Yadavabhyudayam, I spoke about all of this. Guni Bhuta, Rasa Guni Bhuta Vyangyehi noto. So adula irukku. And Sakavikkatyate srashta. Adula thane?
It is like the chef who understands all the
Yadavabhyudayatla
internal
irukku.
flavors of a vyanjanam.
ஆமா, அது நாட்டிய சாஸ்திரத்துல he gives that meaning of how, see, each element is there, but when they come together it gives a different flavor than the individual items. So that different flavor is called rasa, and when that rasa is not expressed directly but it is suggested through maybe gestures, maybe the words, or something in the way they are looking at each other, something or the other, then adu vandu parimalikum. It touches the hearts of the audience. Then only it attains the status of rasa. Yeah. நானும் அதே இன்கிரீடியன்ட் தானே போட்டேன், நானும் அதே கொத்தமல்லியை தான் வறுத்து போட்டேன், ஆனால் அந்த டேஸ்ட் வரலையேங்கிறமோ இல்லையோ. அதான். See, you should know the right amount to put in the right, so that the right rasam comes out.
So more than what meets the eye.
Ama. So this Vyanjana Vyapara, how is it? Sahridaya Hridaya Ahlada-kari Vyanjana Vyaparaha. That Vyanjana Vyapara, it is Ahlada-kari. It gives great joy, immense joy to the hearts of people who are rasikas. Sahridaya nama, one who has a samana hridayam. So a connoisseur understands and he derives great joy from this Vyanjana Vyaparam. So Kavya Shrihi, Kavyam, through this suggestive Vyanjana Vyapara, suggestion, which gives joy to the connoisseurs, what does she do? This Kavya, Kavyam, Ramadivat Vartitavyam, na Ravanadivat iti Pumsaha Kartavye Pravartayati. It uses this Vyanjana Vyapara to prompt a person into doing things that has to be done and averts persons from anything that should not be done. Nivartayat. Yedu pola, like how you have to be like Rama and not be like Ravana. Ramadivatu Vartitavyam. Natu Ravanadivatu. So, yeah.
Can you briefly restate the definition you gave for rasa? What is rasa once again? Just briefly.
எது ரசானா எந்த இடத்துல?
Rasam, like, rasa as in kavyam. Can you define it in your words again?
So it is not dependent on the different elements of the kavyam. It is dependent on the elements of the kavyam, but at the same time it is something beyond the elements of the kavyam also. All of those things have to come together in their proper proportion for the rasa to come out and that rasa to be enjoyed by the artist, so by the rasika. So it is not.
Rasa is not shabda, it is not artha. It is more of a ahlada, it's more of a ananda.
Yes.
That arises sympathetically, given the right expression in a shabda, artha, etc.
Yes.
It's not shabda or artha. Like, it's not Vyanjana Vyapara.
It is Vyanjana Vyapara. It is. When rasa dhvani, when you have rasa as a dhvani, and that rasa is much more beautiful and much more attractive to the connoisseur than the words that he is saying, then it is rasa anubhuti.
So if I say astangatah suryaha, now of course there is Vyanjana, but there is no rasa in it.
No rasa in it.
So then what is rasa? It's not Vyanjana, right? It's not Vyanjana.
Not Vyanjana எப்படி சொல்ல முடியும்? Vyanjana is not rasa. Rasa has to be known through Vyanjana. என்ன இது corollary different-ஆ இருக்கே நீங்க சொல்றது?
Just clarity கோசம்
ஆ,
கேட்கிறேன்.
ஆமா ஆமா. சோ இப்போ எப்படின்னா வியஞ்சனா, ஆல் வியஞ்சனா, ஆல் சஜஷன்ஸ் நீட் நாட் பி ரசா, பட் ரசா ஹேஸ் டு பி நோன் ஒன்லி த்ரூ சஜஷன்.
Right. Okay.
I cannot say that நாயகः நாயிகாம் உத்திஷ்ய தத்ர शृङ्गारम् अनुभवति. I don't feel that शृङ्गारम् here.
Evam. So okay, so it is not artha, even it is experienced through Vyanjana, but it is the ananda that arises in the Sahridaya's heart.
Yes.
When the artha is expressed through Vyanjana.
Yes. Okay. Continue. मानवैः
मानवैः सर्वैः अपि धर्ममार्गगामिभिः भवितव्यम्. Okay, it is in okay. By all the human beings should be the should follow the path of, should go in the path of dharma. Veda vihitanam akilanam api धर्माणाम् आचरणे अवश्य कर्तव्ये अपि विद्यार्थिनाम् उपयोगाय केवलं कतिचन धर्मान् अत्र निर्दिशामः. For the benefit of students, some dharmas are being told, or being explained here, or being
pointed out. Nirdishamaha, we point out some dharmas for the benefit of the vidyarthi,
for the students, because those dharmas which have to be done avashya kartavye api.
இங்க வந்து எப்படின்னா okay, go on.
For okay,
அது வேத விஹிதானாம் அகிலானாம் அபி தர்மாணாம் ஆச்சரணே அவசிய கர்த்தவ்யே அபி. அங்க even though, so even though all of the dharmas that have been said in the Vedas, veda vihitanam akilanam dharmanam acharane avashya kartavye api, even though following the dharma, that is acting upon the dharmas, are a necessity, avashya kartavyam, still some of those are being highlighted right now for the sake of students.
Okay, only some portion of it is highlighted.
Yeah. You have a doubt?
This मानवैः सर्वैः अपि धर्ममार्गगामिभिः भवितव्यं करते. Why that धर्ममार्गगामिभिः? There also Tritiya Bahuvachanam is used.
Okay, but this is in
धर्ममार्गगामिनः भवितव्यं वरदा.
Okay, now this whole sentence is in bhave prayogam.
Okay.
உங்களுக்கு அர்த்தம் புரிஞ்சது இல்ல. So now convert it into kartari prayoga and tell me.
मानवाः सर्वे धर्ममार्गगामिनः भवेयुः.
Correct. Super. Correct. Now when you change it to bhave prayoga, 1:3, so first, anything that is in first case should be turned into third case.
Okay. Still that the dharma मानवैः सर्वैः एवं भवितव्यं करते.
அது ஏவம்ங்கிறது is an abstract thing that you want to say, whereas here this is an adjective to
बहुवचனம் வராதாங்க. திருத்தியா தான் வரணும். திருத்தியா தான் வரும்.
Because it is an adjective and it indicates manavaha.
Okay.
It is an adjective to manavaha.
Okay. Thank you.
Also, Madhya, that Akhilanam api dharmanam, that Shashti Bahuvachanam, can it also be taken as Nirdharna Shashti, and then Kechana Katichana Dharman Atra Nirdishamaha. From there we take few, not anything that is not mentioned in the Vedas, but only amongst all those to be practiced dharmas ordained by Vedas, we take a few and enumerate few of them. Like
Okay, Nirdharana Shashti applies where?
pick few out of some.
What is the sentence? Give me an example for Nirdharana Shashti.
Manavanam uttamaha naraha ramaha.
இங்க தர்மாணாம் கதிச்சன தர்மாஹா அப்படின்னு வரல. Your அன்வய here is தர்மாணாம் ஆச்சரணே. அன்வய எங்க இருக்கு இல்லையா? So it is just a sambandha shashti.
Okay.
If that dharmanam came outside of this compound also, vidyarthinam upayogaya tad dharmanam katichana dharman atra nirdishamaha, then it is nirdharana shashti.
Okay.
Correcta? Mela.
Okay. That, in the word Kartavyam, the dhatu too is karmaka. Therefore, dharma marga damibihi will never be in prathama because you will not have a karma pada. It's bhavi prayoga, right?
Amama, that is true. Bhaveda, but when you translate it, you know, sometimes you feel that there should be a qualifier there in Gramadri. So, karma padama sollala.
Okay. இல்ல நமக்கு பிரதமால இருக்க முடியுமான்னு கேட்ட மாதிரி தோணுச்சு.
இல்ல பிரதமால தான் இருக்கணும்ங்கற மாதிரி கேக்குறா. Why should it be in third vibhakti?
பிரதமால இருக்க முடியாது. என்ன இது வந்து அகர்மக தாத்து இல்லையா? So it can never be.
அதெல்லாம் ரைட். அர்த்தம் வைஸ் she was getting a little, you know, இப்போ தேன பண்டிதஹ பவிதவ்யம்னு வருமா? தேன பண்டிதேன பவிதவ்யம்னு தான் வரணும்.
ஏவம். பண்டித ரூபேண பவிதவ்யம் இதி அவகந்தவ்யம்.
Yes, yes. Tena evam bhavitavyam அப்படிங்கறச்சே evam becomes a avyaya. So it confuses our mind there. அதனால
by all people, the goers of how to translate this?
Okay. So all people should be people who follow dharma. Yeah. So it should be such that.
It's hard to translate.
Yeah, it's hard to translate. எந்த இதுலயுமே மனுஷியர் எல்லா மனுஷியர்களாலும் தர்மத்தை பின்தொடர்கின்றவர்களாக இருக்கப்பட வேண்டும்.
இருக்கப்பட வேண்டும்.
Yeah, in English, let me try. All human beings should be those who tread the path of.
அதெல்லாம் சொல்லிட்டோம். அது வந்து still it is in kartari prayoga. It is not in bhave prayoga. Translation அதுக்கா. Okay, go on. Next.
आद्यन्त शून्यस्य निखिल लोक कारणस्य पुरुषोत्तमस्य देवदेवस्य पूजा सर्वैः अपि कर्तव्या. The worship of God Devadeva should be done by all. What kind of God? Adyanta Shunyasya, one who has no beginning or end. Nikhila Loka Karanasya, the doer or the reason for the entire world. Purushottamasya, the ultimate amongst the all creations, so supreme. Sahacha Sakala Loka Adhyakshaha, he is the controller, ruler.
Adhyaksha வந்து witnessங்கலாம் இல்ல, one who controls. Yeah, okay.
Overseer or director.
Overseer, controller. Director தான அத்யக்ஷனா director ஆபடும்.
அத்யக்ஷனா one who is a witness னு ஒரு அர்த்தம். Okay, adhi akshnoho adhi, right in front of their eyes. So which means he is just the overseerங்கற பதம் தான் correct, or witness. सर्वलोक साक्षी.
तद आज्ञया एव वायुवर्ति.
वायुः वाति, वायुर्वाति.
वायुवाति. vayuhu vati from its agnya, from his
இங்க தத்துங்கிறது தஸ்ய சஹா லோகாத்யக்ஷः சகலலோக அத்தியக்ஷஸ்ய ஆக்ஞயா ஏவ அப்படி இட்ஸ் a சமஸ்த பதம் here. So by his orders,
by his order only the wind blows, suryah prakashati, the sun shines, megah varshati, the cloud rains, vishvambara cha sasya sampanna bhavati, the earth becomes the bearer of not bearer of sasya
sampathna wealth, she becomes wealthy because of the crops,
wealthy because of the crops. Kim bahuna, what more, vina tad agnyaya trunamapi na chalati, what more, not even a grass moves without his agnya, without his order. Purushottama sadrisha guravaha api pujaniyaha, equal like the Purushottama, the gurus also need to be honored, worshipped.
இங்க பார்த்தீங்களா டிரான்ஸ்லேட் நீங்க வந்து தமிழ்ல சொல்லுங்க.
புருஷோத்தமனுக்கு நிகராக குருக்களும்
நிகராகன்னு சொல்றச்சு ஒரு நிமிஷம் நிகராகன்னு சொல்றச்சு என்ன ஆயிடுறது சதிருஷம்னு பூஜனீயாகனு யூ ஆர் ட்ரைங் டு டூ இட் as a கிரியா விசேஷணம். எங்க கனெக்ட் பண்றேன்னு புரியுது. So சதிருஷாக குரவஹ, so it is an adjective to guru. The preceptors who are equal to the god have to be worshipped. You see the difference there.
Yeah.
Mother, in Strilingam, if you want to put, how do we make this sentence? Guru can be in Strilingam also. So Guravaha can remain like that. Pujaniyaha also can be like that. So Purushottama Sadrishaha, that full sentence, everything, if we want to put it in Strilingam, what to do?
சத்ரிஷங்கிறது வந்து சத்ருக்கு இல்லையா? ஸோ சத்ரிஷா
that will be there, but only the Purushottama part that can be.
என்ன வேணும் அதுல? புருஷோத்தமால என்ன ப்ராப்ளம்? புரி சேதே இதி புருஷோத்தமா, புரி சேதே இதி புருஷः. புரிங்கிறது சரீரம், ஷரீரே சேதே. ஸோ எனி ஜீவா இஸ் அ புருஷ. புருஷானாம் உத்தமஹ, ஸோ ஜீவானாம் உத்தமஹ. இப்போ லிங்க பிரச்சனை தானே எங்க ப்ராப்ளம். புருஷோத்தமங்கிற பதத்தை யூ டேக் இட் as the jiva who is the best among, or the atma who is the best among all of the jivas.
So without making it gender specific, if I want to remain as gender neutral, can this sentence be used as it is, or
Yes, you can. You can.
No tweaking.
But it needs explanation like this. Otherwise, people will understand that it is not gender neutral.
So the sadruk bahuvachanam enna varum?
Sadrik, sadrishau, sadrishaha.
sadrishaha valla.
இது மாதிரி கீத்ருக்கு, கீத்ரிஷௌ, கீத்ரிஷா.
அப்ப இங்க புருஷம் சதுர்ஷ் இப்போ வந்து
you can have it either as an akaranta or an akaranta or shakaranta. So sadrik vanda sadrishi varum, sadrishyaha for strilingam. Purushottama sadrishyaha guravaha api pujaniyaha podlam. Or you take it as an akaranta strilinga. So purushottama sadrishaha is the same for either pullinga or strilinga.
sadruk sadrisho sadrishaha va
Sadrishaha.
That is shakaranta.
Different. This is akaranta.
Okay.
The gender is only for the word, right? Not for Purushottamas.
Yes.
Not for the entity. So, yeah, it doesn't matter. Yeah.
Ekalu ajnanam nirasya, the gurus remove nirasya vidyam pradaya. By removing the ajnanam,
Ignorance and giving knowledge.
And giving knowledge.
Bhaya.
Bhaya aharava.
Bhaya ahara.
Bhaya ahara nidra nidram.
Nidra matra vedibhyah.
Okay, nidra matra vedibhyah pashubhyah bedam janayanti. By removing the avidya, ignorance, giving knowledge, um, and like they teach the difference between pashu and
Okay, so they create a difference. Bhedam janayanti. They create a difference in people from the pashu, from the animals which know only basic feelings of fear, food, sleep,
food and
etc.
That
basic,
this thing in ahara nidra bhayamaitунam cha சமானமேதத் பசுபிர்நராணாம்
Pashubirnarana.
ஞானோ அதிகம் அப்படின்னு ஒரு வருதே அந்த
ஆமாமா,
that
அதுதான்.
concept that concept.
The same thing.
So they give a difference between the pashus who are restricted by ahara, etc. And people, when you said that and the people is understood, right?
Yes. So pashubhyah nareshu pashubhyah bhedam janayanti.
Yeah. Or could you also say narebhyah also if you wanted?
Narebhyah bhedam janayanti.
That one is Panchami, another one is Chaturthi.
Chaturthi varno. Ama. So because janayati is they create a difference between these two nu solla mudiyadhu. So pashubhyah bedam angarche pashubhyah is a panchami vibhakti. So they create a difference from the animals. So where do they create that difference? In people dane or for people. People realize that they are not only to understand fear, food or nidra and all these baser instincts, but they are made for something beyond also. So that is why they are to be worshipped like Purushottama, because they are like God.
पूज्य पूजां ये न कुर्वन्ति तेन खलु श्रेयसां भाजनं भवन्ति. Those who do not worship the honorable, the pujya pujam,
Yes.
They shreyasam bhajam, they become the what do you say?
They do not become.
They do not become the they do not become the object of condemnation.
Illa preshreyasma. So those who do not, the double negative la irukku. So those who do not worship people who have to be worshipped, they do not become recipients of prosperity.
Okay, recipients of this.
Say that Priyasam Bhajanam. Bhajanam is like a verbal noun, right? If you say Bhak Bhajo Bhaja hai. Say, you know, Bhaja hai. Wouldn't that be better?
இது பாஜனம் ந பவ பாத்திரம் ந பவந்திங்கிற மாதிரி எடுக்கணும். எனக்கு புரியல.
கச்சித் துக்க பாக் பவதி அந்த அந்த மீனிங்ல
அந்த மாதிரி பாக் பாஜோ பாஜஹ தே ஸ்ரேயசாம் பாஜஹ ந பவந்தி இதி இதி கமி பாஜனம் if you say பாத்திரம் தே பாத்திரம் ந பவந்தி இதி வா
ஸ்ரேயோ பாஜஹ ந பவந்தி வரலாம். Okay, if you make it into a samasta padam. Otherwise, Shreyasam Bhajanam Patram na bhavanti.
Yeah, because the bhak will not exist. It's upada samasa. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Patram na bhajanam would be patram. Okay.
Pura kila Manuvamsha Ketuhu Dilipah Nama Raja Shakrum Upastaya Divaha Bhuvam Agachati Sma. Okay, earlier, before, Manuvamsha Ketuhu, Dilipaha. Ketuhu, I don't understand.
Flag. Kodi.
Kodi. Okay.
Manuvamshatike Kodi bola vilangakodiya Dilipan.
Dilipan, having met Shakraha, Indra.
Indra, yes.
Indra, from the heaven, he was coming to the earth. Dharma lopa bhiya rutusnatam bharyam anusmaran achira prasutam. Okay, I'll go sentence by sentence.
Upasthaya ityukte kim?
Stutim kritva.
Oh, apdiya.
Athava approaching itself is enough. Of having met with him is also fine.
Okay.
Usually, upang
Upasthiti
mantra
is presence, right?
illama
Upasthiti is
அது வேற. இரு உபாங் மந்திரகரணேயா உபதஸ்தே அப்படின்னு வரும். இந்திரம் உபதஸ்தே. So as Manmatha comes into the darbar of Indra, when Indra just thinks about him, yeah, to for that, and the when Shiva and Parvati have to meet, and the இடத்துல Indram upatasthe அப்படின்னு வரும். That is he Vedamantra purvakam tatra Indrasya prashamsam akarot iti stotram akarot ityartha. Then it is in Atmanepadi. இங்க வந்து with lyap pratyaya, we don't know if he has used it in Atmanepadi or Parasmepadi la.
But that is you're referring to the Panini Sutram, Upang Mantra Karane. Yesterday actually, coincidentally.
அப்படியா? உபாங் மந்திரகரணே உபதஸ்தேன்னு வரும் அந்த இடத்துல. ஓகே. தர்மலோபபியா.
Dharmalopabhyana, with this.
Lopa here refers to lopaha, adarshanam lopaha. So, dharma, in the context என்னன்னா ரிதுஸ்நாதாம் பாரியாம் அனுஸ்மரன். So when the wife is not in her menstruating cycle and is in her ovulating cycle, he has to be with her. If he is not with her, then there is a dharma lopa. That is, he has committed a mistake as far as dharma goes. So out of fear that he might transgress dharma, he was thinking about his wife, Ritu Snatam, one who would have taken a bath after the Ritu Kalam. He was Anusmaran. As he was thinking about his wife, Achira Prasutam Kalpavriksha adhik mela.
No, padikala.
He did not note.
Okay. The newly delivered, or the one who was newly delivered, Achira Prasutam.
This goes to Kamadhenu.
Kamadhenu. Kalpavriksha Chayam Ashritam, one who is like taking refuge in the shadow of Kalpavriksha. Pradakshina Kriyarham, like one who is deemed fit to be
worshipped,
done, worshipped by
Pradakshina.
Kamadhenum,
Circumambulate.
Apradakshini Kritya eva. Circumambulate.
சரி, எனக்கு வந்து I understand Pradakshina more than circumambulate. Apradakshini
Kritya eva.
More than so circumambulate doesn't say the direction. That is production. Direction.
Yeah, Pradakshina. Oh,
super. Habada. சரி.
Like he
Apradakshini Kritya.
Circumambulate இப்ப என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க?
No, அதெல்லாம் வேண்டாம். Without doing Pradakshina போறோம்.
So he didn't go in the wrong direction.
Nothing. Apradakshini Krityana அப்பிரதட்சிணமா போயின்னு இல்ல. பிரதட்சிணம் ஆகிருத்வா இத்யர்த்தः அத்ர.
In one Hindi film, she will say, "Ulta pere kar denge."
உல்டாலாம் பண்ணல.
To cancel the marriage, she will say.
ஓகே, ரிவர்ஸ்ல வந்துருவோம் ரவுண்டா. சரி. நான் இங்க வந்து இட்ஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் வேர் யூ ஆர் டூயிங் தி அன்வய ஆஃப் நன்ய. சோ should go with the kritva, not to pradakshina here.
Asajya pratisheda.
Prasajya pratisheda.
Since he was thinking of his wife, he like just ignored, like not deliberately, but he just was thinking about his wife and he passed her and went. Nija Rajadhani Magadha.
He went to his capital.
It's very nicely said. It's very nicely said that he was thinking of his wife just because of dharma lopabhya, not because of love. It's amazing.
That is ஏன்னா அது என்ன கிரகமேதினாம் பிரஜாயை கிரகமேதினாம். That's why. இல்லையா? ஸ்வம் அனாராத்ய. இந்த பேராகிராஃப் முடிச்சுடலாமா?
அனாராத்யதே 3 lines. ஸ்வம் அனாராதயதே தஸ்மை குபிதா காமதேனுஹு. By the
Kamadhenu who was angry towards him
who did not worship him.
Worship oneself.
Who did not do worship towards
her.
विना मत् प्रसूतेः आराधनेन ते प्रजा न भवेत् इति शापं दत्तवती. ओके, अयो, बिफोर विदाउट the
worshipping
aradhana of
my child.
my child, te praja na bhavet, tasya va.
So te tava tava praja na bhavet. Prajangarde inga offspring. So you will not get an offspring without you worshipping my daughter.
Iti shapam dattavati, like she cursed. Tena shapena, because of the shapa, saha चिरमनपत्यः भूत्वा तन्
being childless for a long time, तन्नयना तन्नयन आनन्दिनीं नन्दिनीम् आराध्य
तन्नयना आनन्दिनीं नन्दिनीम् आराध्य वंशकर्तारं कीर्तिमन्तं च तनयं रघुनामानं सुदक्षिणायां लेभे. Okay, where I left, sorry, I missed this sentence.
Parala आराध्य Nandinim, so tena shapena, by that curse, saha chiram anapatyaha bhutva, he did not have, he was childless for a long time, and then aradhya, he having worshipped Nandini, who is tannayana anandini mangarche kamadhenu nayana anandini ma illa, who was giving pleasure to his eyes, Sarkla, because worshipping her, Nandini, who is the daughter of Kamadhenu, was going to give him pleasure in the form of a son also later. Anala tannayana anandinim nandinim aradhya, or more likely to be kamadhenoho nayana anandinim.
Apple of her eyes.
Ama. Vamshakartaram Raghu. So he got a son, Tanayam, with the Sudakshina. Sudakshina is his wife, the name of his wife. Whose name, a son by name Raghu, who was famous, Kirtimantam, and Vamshakartaram. So, Raghu Vamshan per vandadilya. Adanala. One who was the cause for giving a name to one after whom a Vamsha was named.
अतएव कविकुलतिलकेन कालिदासेन अभिहितं प्रतिबध्नाति हि श्रेयः पूजा व्यतिक्रमः इति. Okay, that's why it is told by Kalidasa, प्रतिबध्नाति श्रेयः பூஜ்ய व्यतिक्रमः. இது எதுல வருது?
ரகுவம்சத்துல தான் வருது. So ரகுவம்சத்துல this comes in பிரதம சர்க்கத்துல தான் வரும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். பிரதிபத்னாதி பிரதம சர்க்கா
एव.
Okay,
so the Dilipa episode is told.
Yes, ஆமா. So first சர்க்காலயே வந்துரும் இது. प्रतिबध्नाति हि श्रेयः ईप्सितं तदवज्ञानात् विद्धि सार्गलम् आत्मनः. प्रतिबध्नाति हि श्रेयः पूज्य पूजा व्यतिक्रमः. पूज्य पूजा व्यतिक्रमः श्रेयः प्रतिबध्नाति. In some way or the other it will,
If we omit doing puja to the pujya, then Shreya gets pratibandha, right? Shreyasah pratibandha
bhavati. Yeah.
Shreyas will be blocked, right? Shreyas will be blocked if you do Vyatikram.
Yes.
Yeah.
It is, if you do not worship those people who are to be worshipped, then it prevents one's Shreyas, one's well-being. Pratibandha. Shlokama. Vare. Okay.
I think he didn't do it on purpose. He just was thinking of something else and he just passed by.
Yeah, that's true. So sa shapaha na tvaya rajanna na cha, oh illa idu irukku. Ipsitam tad avajnanat irukkanum. Viddhi sargalam atmanaha. So tad avajnanat, by ignoring kamadhenu, atmanaha ipsitam sargalam. So your ipsitam, ishtam, manoratham has become something which is a argala na pootu potta mari aiduthu artham. It's like
right?
bolted. Yes. So your ipsitam, your desire to have a child has been completely shut doors on it. So that is why it is said puja vyatikramaha. If you don't do puja to any person who has to be shown that honor or worship, then shreyaha pratibadhnati. Shreyasaha pratibandhaha bhavet. Vighnam bhavet.
This is the general statement, which is Arthantaranyasa. We got
Yes.
It was proven the statement is general. Pratibadhnati is the generic statement.
Is a generic statement. Ama. Samanya Vishesha Samarthanam. Visheshasya Samanyena Samarthanam.
So இது இந்த அர்கலா தேவி இதுன்னு வருது இதுல தேவி அந்த அர்கலாவா?
அர்கலானாலே இந்த நடு கட்ட போடுறது இருக்கு பாருங்க.
ஓகே 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 ஓகே,
அதுதான். So you are closing doors ன்னு அர்த்தம். So the Argala Stotram in Devi Mahatmyam is such that when you say that, you are actually, it is like a kavacham and you are locking it மாதிரி in. எதுவா இருந்தாலும் அம்பாளை வந்து உள்ள வச்சு நம்ம வந்து பூஜை பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் இது பண்றோம். So that நம்ம சித்தி எல்லாம் நமக்குள்ள இருக்கிறதுக்காக.
So the Argalam is the same as the Keelakam, right? It's in Vishnu Sahasranam.
Keelakam வேற. So Argalam is the bolt, Keelakam is the turn thing that it's that pin that keeps it in place, keeps the Argalam in place. Keelakam is the pin.
I see.
And the bolt pin மாதிரி இருக்கும் இல்லையா, அந்த hinge எல்லாம் there will be one pin, right? அது.
Oh, it's not the key. It's not the key.
Kunchika is a different one.
Okay.
Keelakam is actually a nail that goes and there is a bolt and then there is a nail which keeps the bolt in place. That part is called Keelakam.
Because even if you put the argalam, if some thief comes and pushes the door, the bolt can fall off if they do it forcefully. So you need that pin so that the bolt will not fall, get out of the place.
It's like the achani, the wheeலுக்கு இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த there is one achani போல அந்த மாதிரி. Okay.